Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook a perfect sunny side-up egg with a runny yolk. First, select a good non-stick pan. This is crucial for easy release. Fresh eggs are also key as they hold their shape better. Finally, make sure you have a lid handy as we'll use it to gently steam the egg to perfection. These simple preparations set you up for success. Now let's get the pan ready. Place your non-stick pan on the stove and set the heat to medium-low. This prevents the egg from cooking too quickly or burning. Next, add about 1 teaspoon of butter or your preferred cooking oil. Swirl it around to ensure the entire bottom of the pan is coated. This creates a non-stick surface and adds flavor to your egg.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy cooking guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a mysteriously enticing masculine scent of citrus and woods that will keep your ride smelling great. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With your pan prepared, it's time for the egg. Crack your egg into a small bowl first. This helps prevent shell fragments and allows for a controlled pour. Gently slide the egg from the bowl into the heated pan. Let it cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll see the whites begin to set and turn opaque around the edges. To achieve that perfect runny yolk with fully set whites, here's the trick. Add about 1 tablespoon of water to the pan, being careful not to pour it directly onto the egg. Immediately cover the pan with your lid. The steam created will gently cook the top of the egg white. Let it steam for approximately 1 minute, or until the whites are completely set and the yolk is warm and beautifully runny.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.